Welcome again in a new video. In this video I'll show you something very nice and very benefit, and it's very actually it acting as hidden things inside Windows operating system. So have you ever hear about that you can create your context menu for any item as per your language, in your native language? So this is what I'll explain right now for you. For example, this is let's consider this a file. Okay, so right click for this file. There is a static menu for or context menu. This is for Windows. Okay, this is coming. This menu are coming from Windows itself. So, okay, so we cannot control this, but we can add more option for this right click for file. Okay, what I want to say exactly in this video, that I can create my menu here at the right click or context menu for the selected item here like this and inside Windows registry. So I'll show you something like for example, hide this file. Okay, so let's go inside registry. So this is item, this item is like a file, right? If I'd like to select this file, right click, this menu will appear. If I'd like to create a new things here like hide this file, so I will go to asterisk inside shell. So what I will create here will appear here. Okay, so let's take the chance to create one new key. So I'll keep it for AR. This is for Arabic menu. This Arabic command I'll create here. So if I right click now on the button, I'll see AR already created. So if I'd like one click, single click for this to take a job. What is this job? Is hiding this file. How to hide this file? The normal way for Windows procedure is like this. So you can go to hide, make it hidden like this. Okay, so if you wanna unhide, so you will go to again and make unhide again this file. So I'd like to make this button I created here in the right click to hide this file. So I'll create another key here. I'll name it command. This command will be, I'll use attrib, the command attrib. If I'd like to hide, I'll plus h for hide. Okay, with selected item, when I click right click for the item, selected item will be asterisk about %1. So I'd like to put between two %1 between double quotes. It means this is the selected item. So I am expressing the action by the right click for the action. So I'd like to give it a name. It's only AR, but I'd like to give it a name. So I'd like to create here in AR at the right side. I'll create a new key. I'll name this key with MUI verb. Inside this MUI verb, I'll put the name I wish in Arabic. For example, in Arabic, I'll write إخفاء هذا الملف. إخفاء هذا الملف. إخفاء هذا الملف. So right click in Arabic, I'll see إخفاء هذا الملف. This is in Arabic, right? So I'd like to, if I click this one right now, it will hide this file. So right click إخفاء هذا الملف, it will perform the action to hide this file. If I'd like to unhide this file again, I can create another key and I can say, or I can write إظهار هذا الملف. It means unhide this file. This is in Arabic. This is a proof that I can create my own. So I'd like to unhide the file by a normal way like this. So if I'd like to hide it again, so I should click here in this file. This is, I'd like to show you, I am capable to, Windows operating system can accept a multiple language to create your own menus here with the specific action exactly like what I created in the front of you. So this is a practical side. This is, so if I'd like to unhide, So I'll make it. So now you know the essence behind the command. The command is attrib plus h, then asterisk %1 between double quotes. This is to hide this file. This is the command is responsible for hiding this file. So the lesson for today is about to create this menu, but in all language, in Hindi language, in Thailand language, in Hindi language, and Russian language, and also in Arabic language, like you see. So I'd like to tell you there is something very nice for today. I'd like to show you. This is not only for Egyptian or Egyptian people. I'm Egyptian. Okay, that's why I am using Arabic. So the idea behind this video for today is something different. I'd like to show you, as long as my Windows is English, in English, all menus are in English here. So I'd like to show you that I can create also even in Indian language and Russian language. That's why I created all of these things. I'll show you how to create in Japanese language, hide this file, exactly like this, hide this file, but this is in Arabic. So I created my own in Arabic, so I can create also another one for Japanese. This I created, this is inside the script. The only things I created is only MUI verb. I write it in Japanese, so you will see here in Japanese. I just change this value, MUI verb. I write it in Arabic, so I added also a new one in Japanese. So this is register script, just to show you that I created also the same, and the MUI verb I write Japanese. So right click now, I'll see in Japanese language, hide this file in Japanese language. Okay, so I added also in Indian language. So this is script. So right click on the file, I'll see in Indian language. This is Indian language about hide this file in Indian language. So I added also in Thailand language. Here Thailand language also. So now it's added here, Japanese, Thailand, Hindi. It's the only change is only here, MUI verb. This is the name of the command. This command is about hide this file. So right click, I'll see hide this file in Thailand language, hide this file in Japanese language. This hide file by in the Hindi language. This is Hindi language. This is Arabic language. Also another one is Russian language. Also I added here as a Russian language. So right click on the file, you will see hide this file but in all languages. This is in Thailand language, hide this file in Thailand language. This hide this file in Russian language. Okay, hide this file in Japanese language, hide this file in Indian language. So I have now I have ability, and also you have the same ability to create your own menus in Windows, whatever the language you will use. So you can create your own menus as per your native language you are using in your Windows, right? So now let's apply one of them. This is hide this file in Arabic. We already take the chance. This is in Indian. Hide this file in Hindi language. Just right click, it will be hide. Okay, so properties again to unhide again. So let's go and to apply the same in Russian language. Hide this file in Russian language. So one click, it's already. So the command is accepted from all a different language. That's why I created this with. This is Thailand language. Hide this file in Thailand language. So if I click it, it will do the same job about hiding this file. The video for today is about these things. So I created all of these things, not randomly, but I'll show you one example for Hindi language. I will remove all what I created here in Arabic, and all menus I will remove, and I'll tell you step by step how to create in Hindi language, how to create this. So now the menu is empty. So I collected all of these files in this file. I will create exactly the same, the new key here, new key. I like Hindi, Hindi language. I'll write like this, Hindi Hindi language. Okay, so I'll create another key here. I'll name it under key command. This is the command I will write. This is Hindi command. So if I right click now, I'll see Hindi because I created here Hindi. But at the right side, I'll create a new string value. I'll name it MUI verb. MUI verb. Okay, so I will double click and I'll paste here. I collected in this Microsoft Word file all the translation about hide this file from Google. So I get the translated hide this file, and all these translated issues I put it here. This is in Russian language. This is in Hindi language. So I can just copy this line, copy, and I can put it here. Okay, this is only to rename the right click created one. So now it becomes in Indian language, in Hindi language. So this is Hindi. After adding MUI verb value, it becomes in Hindi language. Hide this file. Okay, so I should create here, I should put the command. What is the command to hide this file? Is attrib plus h, then between double quotes %1, and I will close the double quotes. Then I press OK. So now I can apply the command. Now the command is available for in Hindi language. Hide this file in Hindi language. So if I click it, it will apply directly. So I can also add unhide here as Hindi U, for example. This is unhide. It means unhide. I'll create also another key here about the command. Okay, so this is Hindi U is already created to unhide this file. For example, I don't know what is the unhide in Hindi, so I'll name it here MUI verb with I'll name it unhide this file. This is in English, right? So I can, because I didn't get what is the unhide means in Hindi language. So I have only now hide this file in Hindi language. So if I'd like to unhide, I'll create the same. The command to hide is attrib plus h. So in unhide will be the opposite. It means plus, we will replace plus with minus or dash. So now I can right click, unhide this file. So right click, hide this file in Hindi language. It will apply. It means now now you can customize your menus to be in any language you wish as per your native language. You can create your own language. So show desktop or go to control panel, show device manager, disk management, all in your native language. This is the importance you have to notice, and you have to observe what I created in the front of you, step by step, in all language, Japanese language. And now if you wanna see all the other language, this is Japanese language. So how I created this icons, registry icons in the desktop, I just export what I created. So Russian in Russian language, here in Arabic also language. Okay, so now right click on the file. All what I created is already here. This is in Arabic. Hide this file, it will be applied. If I'd like unhide again, so unhide the file is already created. So right click again, hide this file in Hindi language, hide this file. So unhide this file in English. So now I will hide this file with a Japanese language. So right click again, unhide this file. I will hide this file now in Russian language. Hide this file in Russian language. So unhide again this file. So right click also in Thailand language, hide this file in Thailand language. Okay, now also unhide the file. So now it's working perfectly. I think you will entertain this so much. So it's not only to create your own menus, so also you can add an icon beside what you created. For example, in Hindi language, you can choose, for example, your image, so you can create it as an image. So you can bring any image, and then you can also add an icon for right click. Hindi language, you can put also your picture or your image beside this button by adding, for example, Hindi language. Okay, in Hindi here, right click here, I'll create a new string value here, like icon. Inside this icon I should put something like .ico. Add the icon here. This is, yes, this is exactly what I need. Of language, and take your image as a icon for the new created things. You will feel too much creativity in your country when you create your own menus inside your windows. Okay, despite this windows in English, but you can create your own, and it's a purpose, for a purpose, not only decoration, it's for a purpose for hide this file, so it has a meaningful job. Okay, this is exactly what I mean behind this video. To be international video, I think you will entertain this so much about to create your own menus by using this property and this capability inside Windows. I didn't take something from I just use my creativity to show you what is the Windows is capable of, not from my, this is not a new invention from my side, it's a Windows capability. And I'd like to show you, this is the most genius person in the world. This is Bill Gates. He created this Windows. So all my respect for you, Bill Gates. You already enlightened our lives with this Windows. So thank you so much for you. Thanks so much for Microsoft to create this intelligent system. And I hope someday to join this honorable teamwork of Microsoft company. So now we reach it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye right now.